Wow. That's pretty cool. (2019) Grand Sport C7. On the side fender there's a little air in there. Thing, yeah. So what do you think?
Dude,
you
this
excited?
is crazy. This is awesome.
Pretty cool. Damn. Huh. It's definitely wide. Huh. I figure years from now you might like to see it coming off the trailer one last time.
Hell yeah.
Pretty cool.
I never knew these things could do that.
Yeah.
I've never seen it.
Yeah, I saw it when they were loading that Audi at the car show, but it was crazy watching them. Makes me nervous.
Seriously? That
Just
thing
a
can handle
little.
all the weight?
Just a little bit.
At least it's lighter than this.
True.
Not by much.
So when does he leave the deal? How long did it take?
Dude, the whole ass. Well,
Was it a couple days?
he picked it up on Friday. So today is Wednesday.
Okay.
And he's been making stops.
Oh, okay.
Probably.
I see. Yeah.
Maybe he picks up stuff on the way or something.
Sure, sure.
It's a nice place down there. That's some lights.
Oh, it is a cold start. Oh, it's getting quieter. Oh, those wheels are gorgeous. Oh yeah, the silver is awesome. Holy shit, that color. Wow. It looks amazing.
She's a sexy beast. Oh, the mirror's too full. Holy shit.
Look at the fender. It says Grand Sport in the little.
Oh, that's where it's at.
Yeah.
I forgot. I haven't seen that.
It's very, very nice looking.
It's so wide and wedgy.
I love the wheels, that little accent with the darker gray in between the spokes. The blue is amazing. I could see why you wanted it. The color, it's awesome.
I've never seen it too many times in person. Pictures.
In the sun, the fender.
It's so shiny.
It's really cool looking.
The front end's pretty
has the rubber piece there, that splitter that jets out. So we'll have to see. Oh wow. That color looks amazing. It looks so cool. Damn. Awesome. First drive in the Grand Sport.
Let's try track mode. Alright, now we're in track. Well, the steering got a lot stiffer too. Dude, it's super tight.
Feels responsive. That sounds good.
Steering wheel is actually kind of small.
Yeah.
The Mustang's way bigger around.
Yeah, it's a nice size. I wish mine was that small.
Dude, it doesn't ride hard at track, do you think? Can you tell the bumpiness?
My Z06 is rougher than this.
That doesn't seem too rough.
Feels good.
Because I thought track was supposed to really stiffen it up, but maybe not.
Well, it does, but you have to remember their clientele.
That's all old guys.
It's all old guys, so, you know. I mean, it's stiff, but it's not overly stiff.
You gotta take it on a track to enjoy the full potential.
For sure.